Today we're going to be making courgette soup with basil and parmesan. Okay, let's get started. What we're going to need is about a kilo of courgettes, about 40 grams of butter, a tablespoonful of dry basil and a good pinch of fresh if you have it, and about 15 to 20 grams of finely grated parmesan. You need one small white onion, a vegetable stock cube, a chicken stock cube and some salt and pepper. Okay, let's get the onion peeled and finely chopped. Okay, that can be added to the pan. Then we're going to want to just take the ends off the courgettes. Then what we need to do is cut the courgettes into fairly small pieces. I do this by cutting lengthways down the courgette, rotating it, cutting down it again, then chopping it up, and it breaks it into quarters. Okay, that's the courgettes chopped and added to a pan. We now need to make up some stock. I use one vegetable stock cube and one chicken stock cube. This just gives a broader range of flavour. Obviously if you're vegetarian, just use 2 vegetable stock cubes. If you only have chicken, just use 2 chicken, that's absolutely fine. Let's get some hot water in there. Going to make up about half a litre, around about a pint. Okay, now that they're sitting in there and dissolving, we can add the tablespoon of dry basil into that mix and stir it in. Okay, that's our stock made. We can now add that to the courgettes. And we may need to add some more hot water just to bring it up. So the level of the water is roughly level with the top of the courgettes. Don't want to add too much water or we're going to end up with a really thin runny soup, and obviously courgettes contain quite a lot of water anyway. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this on the hob for about 20 to 30 minutes on a lowish simmer. Don't want to boil it because otherwise we're going to steam off all of the stock and reduce the level of liquid in it. Okay, I'll pop this on the hob and then we'll bring it back once it's cooked. Okay, here we are. This has been simmering away on the hob for about 25 minutes. Courgettes have softened up really nicely. So what we need to do now is add the butter, about 40 grams. Add the fresh basil. We want to season with just a little pinch of salt. Then you're going to need some kind of hand blender. One of these sort of cheapo ones will do. because we need to blend this now into a soup. Okay, once that's started to liquidize, we can then add the Parmesan. There we are, that's looking like a nice creamy soup now. Final thing is just to add a little black pepper, well, a fairly generous amount of black pepper actually. And then we can just stir that in with ladle. So, let's get this served up, take a look at it. And there we have it, courgette soup. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and found it useful. If you have, perhaps you'd like to give it a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell so you'll get alerts when I put out further videos. Thanks for watching.